their entire infrastructure to run the whole human race.
And they had created a digital model of Earth and everybody in it, down to a digital GPS coordinates model up to even a vertical dimension of 1.5 centimeters, every building, every roadway, everything. And what they want to do is create an Internet of Things where in digital space they know exactly what you're doing in real time.
This is an article from 10 years ago. Sentient World, War Games on the Grandest Scale. The VOD is developing a
In other words, you'll be a computer terminal on someone else's internet.
They're using two interfaces, like we said, the brain-to-computer interface. That's the supercomputer. The sophisticated and advanced exascale system downloads all of your, all electromagnetic activity, all these synaptic responses, the electromagnetic emissions of the victim's brain is downloaded at speed of light. Energy travels at speed of light, so they can download, upload at speed of light.
Sure.
Back into a database to eventually achieve direct behavioral control over you. And then based on, that cognitive model being complete, to begin to be able to predict and influence in advance the reference choices of the victim during thought composition. As the victim is formulating his thoughts and preparing to act, the supercomputer already has that persona and psyche, all your emotional state down. I can already predict and influence those events in your life in advance and achieve direct behavioral control over you.
They're putting in the 5G systems that literally will slowly kill our humanity while they control us as biological androids. They now say we're going to merge with machines. They now say that we are the robots.
Teleoperation allows a human to provide guidance to the robot to move in a way that we find good. Now let's say I'm a human pilot, Wizard of Ozing the robot. If I wanted to pick something up from the table as a robot, my teleoperator would look down, look at the field of view, look up, look at their hand, move it over, feel the tactile sensors in the hand, close the hand on the object and pick it up.
I was showed this technology at work, and it was through the perspective, of course, of the camera, and what I was told that it was obvious it was being used through the eyes of the targets. So I have seen it, and it is absolutely remarkable. It's just like a first-person, video game or something where you see right through the eyes of the individual. And then it is to the point where it's so accurate, you can actually see the individual pores on someone's face, see scars and nicks and so forth. And so you can understand how, if you had several people, for example, that you were able to do this, you can see through their eyes in a room or on a street corner or within an office building, wherever it is. You can get total situational awareness simply by looking through their eyes, and you can see through basically it's like being 3 or 4 or 5 different people all at the same time. Advanced beyond what most people are aware of. It's truly mind-blowing, and I think that's a big part of educating people, is making them understand that, fortunately or unfortunately, this is possible, and it is being done right now today.
Of the brain, and to, in a sense, mimic them and maybe supply them artificially.
En vérité, ce qui est né de la chair est chair. Et ce qui est issu de l'esprit est esprit. En vérité, ce qui est né de la chair est chair. Et ce qui est issu de l'esprit est esprit.
Pour essayer de savoir ce que je dois faire.
Tu me semblais pourtant sûr de ce que tu voulais.
Non, je l'étais. Mais maintenant, non. Je suis troublé, indécis.
Mon cœur est troublé. mon esprit confus. Il faut que tu m'aides à voir la vérité.
Alors tu dois savoir, Nicodème, que seul un être né de nouveau peut voir le royaume de Dieu.
Un homme né de nouveau